How's it going, guys? It's your boy Magnanimous, and today I'll be showing you the second option that you have to boot into an OS recovery if you find out that you don't have one. Now this one actually will take a little bit more time because it actually incurs creating a bootable install disk or booting from some type of Mac OS disk. Me personally, I use USB drives because they're faster, they're portable, and they work really well. But like I said, I still have the issue on the Mac. I'm leaving it for educational purposes now. Messed up, so you guys don't think that I'm trying to get over on you. So this is what we're going to do. This method is going to be the USB install method. I will show you how to create a bootable USB drive in another video, but today we're going to just do the recovery. Now, the steps are the same. You're going to turn off the computer, right? Okay, I'm going to hold down the power button. The screen is going to go blank. Alright, now that the screen is off and the power is off, what you want to do is, before you even hit the power button, just go ahead and hold down the option button on your keyboard. If you're using a Windows keyboard, that will be the Alt key, the ALT Alt key. Just hold it while you're hitting the power button. Once you're holding the Alt key, go ahead and hit the power button. Just hold it until you see all the drives pop up. Now what this does is pretty much, this feature just pops up all the available drives that are connected to the computer. So what you have here is, I have mine named Untitled, but that's my hard drive. You have the recovery, which doesn't seem to be working, and then you have the install Mac OS Sierra, which is a USB drive featuring the OS that I have put on the USB drive. So from there, I would just go over to the Mac OS X and click on it. From there, you're going to get a little bar at the bottom that says that it's loading up the features of the say hello to my daughter, you guys. She's very hyper. But it's going to boot up for you. I'll come back as soon as it's done. Now once it gets done loading, it's going to come to this screen, which is a language screen. You just pick the language that you want to use. It's no different from installing a new disk. But what it does is it gives you the option of having a recovery utilities. Now you have all of your features that you have like you did usually. Now the good thing is, if you already have a Mac OS installed, if you reinstall it, it usually fixes the issues and it doesn't erase any of your data. So that's usually the easiest way to get out of a Mac having issues. It will reinstall that OS and it won't erase any of the data. But overall, this to me is a much quicker way than the internet recovery, just because you got, just in case the internet recovery is going to take a while. Even if you get to it, it's going to have to download the OS, which could take hours. If you have a slow internet connection, it could take 30 minutes to an hour. But usually it took me about 20 minutes. But overall, this is much faster because you don't have to wait on all the time to get to the OS utilities. It takes a really long time sometimes to get to the internet recovery. But that's all we're going to go over today. But I really appreciate you guys sticking with me through my tutorial. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I promise I'll read your comments and get back to you. But please like, comment, subscribe, and please share. Thank you.